Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this IQOO smartphone and VIVO smartphone. This is IQOO Z9s 5G smartphone and this is VIVO V40e smartphone. So let's compare it between these two, and here it is the metal gray color, you will see this, and here it is the glossy mint green color, and both weight are similar. It is a 8 GB 128 GB model, and this is also 8 GB 128 GB model. Both weights are same, both cameras are same. So let's compare it, and actually the same display also. Here you can see the display height is also same, the screen are also same. So let's open it. You can see friends, both devices are very smooth. Let's check it in the settings first, and first let's check the cameras. Friends, here it is the cameras. Click on video and see the highest resolution. Click on the resolution and you can see both can record 4K at 30 fps like this, and same features. I have taken some pictures, you can see it. You can see friends, here are the pictures. Both mobile have same quality. You will see here it is a low lighting condition over there. Even shadows are also very visible to it. When you just zoom it, it will both are in the full screen, and when you just zoom it, it will not get blur, and it will be in full screen right now. And friends, you can see, just you have to press back and you can check in the settings also. First let's click on about phone. Here you will see the processor. Both have 2.5 gigahertz Dimensity 7300 octa core with 8 GB and 8 GB plus extended. Both have Android version 14 and phone storage also. So you can see Fun Touch OS 14, and you can check the resolution in the YouTube also. So let's open the YouTube. Here it is. Let's open it. Friends, you can see the quality also. I show you. Friends, first let's see the music also. Let's test the sound quality test. Friends, you can see both have same speaker bass and quality same. And let's test it refresh rate also. You can play any game you want because it is very smooth in very display. You can check in both setting. Just you have to type here refresh rate, like this. And friends, you can see both have 120 hertz of smoother and more refined dynamic display, but it also increases the system power consumption also. And simply press back and let's check the video quality also. Friends, you can see the picture quality, and you can zoom it up to 8x in this, and also this is also 8x. It will be in full screen. Both have same display quality. And you can check in the highest brightness also, like this. You can check the friends the quality also. Click on settings, then quality. Here you will see both have 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR option. That is pretty good part of this smartphone. And let's check what's inside the phone. Here it is the VIVO and this is IQOO. Let's check what is in the box, if it is any unique thing in it. Let's open it. Here it both have trays, both have a protective case, and both have similar quality case. You can check it. It is a transparent cover, and a quick start guide and a warranty card. And friends, you can see both have 80 volt of fast charging adapters and one USB type C to USB, and both have SIM ejector tool. You can purchase any of these. Both have good performance in it. So I have given the link in the description. You can buy it from there if you like it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.